Achilles versus Yogi Mahakumbh clash. Akhilesh Yadav in Lok Sabha demanded transparency on Mahakumbh stampede casualties, urging the government to reveal accurate death and injury figures. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav on Tuesday continued his attack on the Uttar Pradesh government over the Mahakumbh stampede incident and said that the government allowed this incident to take place. Speaking to media persons, Yadav raised the question on why the central government was not providing details of the actual number of people who died in the stampede that took place on January 29 this year at Mahakumbh venue in Prayagraj. If there was a huge gathering at that time, why was space not given in the army premises? The government allowed this incident to take place. Now they don't want to give the details, and if anyone tries to provide details, an FIR will be registered against them, the Samajwadi Party chief said. Further, Yadav, the former chief minister of Uttar Pradesh, claimed that the government knew the time of the incident. Government knows the time of the incident. Imagine the number of deceased if the incident took place at 1 a.m. and ambulances were coming till 11 a.m. Several devotees could not even take a holy dip. They had to go back. Is this the kind of world infrastructure you want to make? CM Yogi Adityanath said that he has made arrangement for 100 crore people. Now they are saying there is a conspiracy. The officials who are saying there is a conspiracy should be terminated by the central government, Akhilesh Yadav said earlier today while speaking in the Lok Sabha. Akhilesh Yadav demanded transparency regarding the casualties at the Mahakumbh stampede, urging the government to present accurate figures on the deaths, treatment of the injured, and arrangements made for the event. Participating in the debate on the motion of thanks to the president's address, Akhilesh called for an all party meeting to clarify the situation and recommended that disaster management and the lost and found center be handed over to the army. Yadav also pressed for strict punitive action against those responsible for the tragedy and those who concluded the facts, questioning the government's decision to surpass the numbers for the Mahakumbh tragedy. There should be strict punitive action against those responsible, and those who have hidden the truth should be punished. We ask the double engine government, if there was no guilt, then why were the figures suppressed, hidden, and erased? He added. लोग पुनः कमाने आए थे और अपनों के शव लेकर गए हैं. People came to earn merit, but they left with the bodies of their loved ones. The SV chief said a stampede occurred at the Mahakumbh Mela during the second Shahi Snan on Mauni Amavasya. As per the Uttar Pradesh government, at least 30 people were killed and around 60 individuals sustained injuries. Several opposition leaders raised concerns over the government's handling of the stampede during the Mauni Amavasya bathing ritual. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath came down heavily on Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav on Tuesday, accusing them of taking payoffs to speak against Sanatan Dharma as the opposition disputed the number of casualties in the Mahakumbh stampede. Thank you guys for watching this.